Alright, hello everybody again. This is just a quick play around with the emission control app for your Specialized Turbo Levo or Canevo or whatever the road one's called, I don't know. Yeah, so this is the app. As you can see, I've got my my bike named at the top as James's bike. My name is James. The bike just turned off actually, so I'll turn that back on. That's good timing there. I've got 100% battery, or I did have. You'll see it again in a minute. So this app basically, it does a few things. So the first one, if we go into ride, it acts as like a Strava based system. So here's our map where I am at the moment. We've got our stats here. I can change the assist mode, which you can see changes the different levels of pedal assist on the bike. Yeah, so it's basically like a Strava system. Now there's an option here which is smart control. Now while you're riding, you can adjust this with and basically it sets parameters for your battery motor. So the gist of it is you don't have to be aware of it while you ride, and you don't have to consciously change through your power modes. So if we click duration, you can set, I don't know, you might go for a 4-hour ride, 1250 meters elevation, and then you can choose how much you want. So we're going to choose 0 naturally because we want to use all the power we can. And start your ride, and it should try to evenly space that out for you, which I think is a really good function, especially for heart rate. If you want to do some, I don't know, specific training, and you're not following a power meter or anything like that. So once you do this, it automatically uploads to Strava and your other social media training apps. If we go into diagnose, we get the actual motor and battery stats. As you can see, all you battery nerds out there, it isn't actually me. Now it does tell you if you need an update. In particular, I do need an update in the motor. I can't do this, well, as you can read it there, I can't do this myself from the app. Some updates you can, so I'd have to go into the local shop to get it done, which I'm not too keen on really, so we'll just leave it until I'm in there next time. Got your settings, which is just, standard setting in an app. You've got your ride history, blah blah blah, just like, I don't know, Strava would have your history, sort of like a training log. And then you've got tune, which is the real reason everyone gets the app. So here you've got your 3 modes, 3 battery level assisted modes in the presets. So you can add these presets. So the factory default is always there if you want to go back, as is your several other presets which you load. So here you can change each level with varying parameters. So you could change eco right down to say like 5 or 10%, and have it more replicating a normal mountain bike. I haven't played around with this yet. Well, I have, but I haven't set any presets yet because I haven't quite figured out the gist of it, and I don't want to just create random ones. But yeah, so basically it's fully customizable, your different power assist modes. You can also change the acceleration response, so sort of like how quickly it responds, but I believe the higher it gets, the less grip you sort of get, it becomes a bit more unstable. I've got stealth mode here, which I don't know why you'd want it really. You can read what that does yourself. One thing which I'm not sure on is the shuttle. If we go up here, shuttle mode for specific bikes only, and well, you can read it for yourself. I think it's one of those things that you've got to try to fully comprehend what it does. But basically, I believe that you get more motor support the faster you're pedaling. And then vice versa, less motor support the less you pedal. But again, I'm not sure how that quite works, because you'd assume that the motor would still be there when you're pedaling less. And you can still change these other parameters with the shuttle on. So I'm not really sure what the go is there. So yeah, that's the Mission Control app. That's pretty much all there is to it. Easy.